Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling tire and wheel care products on Amazon. If you're passionate about keeping your vehicle in top-notch condition, you're in the right place. Without further ado, let's get started and discover the ultimate products that will transform your tire and wheel care routine. Stay tuned and enjoy the ride. Number 5 on our list of best-selling tire and wheel care products on Amazon is none other than the P&S Professional Detail Products Brake Buster Wheel Cleaner. Imagine a product that tackles the grime and muck of everyday driving without the harshness of acids. This cleaner, an expert in its field, is designed for all wheel types and finishes, be it steel, aluminum, chrome, paint, or powder coat. Its versatility is unmatched. Brake Buster isn't just another cleaner. It's a powerhouse that removes brake dust, oil, dirt, and light corrosion. Picture your wheels as they once were, pristine and gleaming. With Brake Buster, that vision can become reality. Using it is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Spray it on, let it work its magic, and with a soft bristle brush, agitate those stubborn contaminants on the face, barrel, tire, and brake parts. Rinse with water, wipe with a microfiber towel, and voila! Factory fresh wheels once again. The beauty of Brake Buster lies in its flexibility. Use it straight from the bottle for an intense clean, or dilute it in a foam sprayer to create a generous foam that lifts dirt and brake dust effortlessly. It's your choice, your power. But there's more. Brake Buster doesn't just clean, it protects. Leaving a protective coating, it repels future tarnishing and grime buildup. Plus, it's the perfect base for wheel and tire sealants, extending the life of your immaculate wheels. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? P&S Professional Detail Products, Brake Buster Wheel Cleaner. Your wheels deserve nothing less. Number 4 on our countdown of best-selling tire and wheel care products on Amazon is the Game Changer 303 Products Automotive Protectant Spray. Imagine a solution that not only cleans but rejuvenates your vehicle's surfaces, restoring that factory-fresh look. This is more than just a spray. It's your vehicle's best defense against the elements. 303 Protectant Spray is designed for superior UV protection. It shields your dashboard, windshield wiper blades, tires, and more from the sun's harsh rays. Rubber, plastic, vinyl, isinglass, PVC, gel coat, fiberglass. This spray covers it all. The relentless UV rays that cause fading, discoloration, and cracking? Consider them handled. What's remarkable is the finish. This rinse-free formula leaves a non-greasy, dry, matte finish with no lingering odor. Non-toxic and water-based, it's free of grease-producing silicone oils and petroleum distillates. Safe for you, safe for your car, and safe for the environment. Using it is a breeze. The 16-ounce bottle with a trigger sprayer ensures precise application. Just spray it on, wipe it off, and watch as your car's surfaces brighten and revive. But remember, it's not for everything. Avoid unfinished leathers like suede, fabrics like canvas and flooring. Focus on the rubber, plastic, and vinyl, and you'll see the magic happen. So, if you're looking to keep your car looking newer for longer, 303 Products Automotive Protectant Spray is your go-to. It's not just protection, it's perfection. Number 3 on our list of best-selling tire and wheel care products on Amazon is the exceptional Car Guys Tire Shine Spray. Imagine having complete control over the look of your tires. Car Guys Tire Shine gives you just that. This non-greasy, dry-to-the-touch formula is designed for ease of use and ultimate versatility. Whether you prefer a wet, high-gloss shine or a silky, smooth satin finish, the choice is yours. And the best part? No more horrible runoff sling. Car Guys Tire Shine isn't just about aesthetics, it's about protection. One application hydrates the surface and defends against harmful UV rays that cause fading, browning, and cracking. This long-lasting product is boosted with a proprietary polymer additive, extending its longevity and enhancing its performance. Your tires will look better and stay protected longer. Applying this product is a breeze. The 18-ounce kit comes with an easy-to-use applicator pad, ensuring quick and precise application. Simply spray, spread, and admire the perfect finish. It's as simple as that. Quality is at the heart of Car Guys. Made with the latest advancements in science and the best equipment available, their products are consistently high quality and effective. Mixed and bottled in the USA by hardworking Americans, each formula reflects a commitment to excellence. But it doesn't stop there. Customer satisfaction is paramount. If for any reason you're not happy with the product, Car Guys will make it right. Their 100% satisfaction guarantee ensures that you are always taken care of. So, for a tire shine that delivers on all fronts, appearance, protection, and ease of use, choose Car Guys. Tire Shine Spray. It's more than just a shine, it's the perfect shine. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling tire and wheel care products on Amazon? Well, don't let your tires spin out. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your wheels rolling smoothly with all the latest updates. Number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling tire and wheel care products on Amazon is the powerhouse, Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Imagine the relentless battle your wheels and tires face daily: heat, elements, and constant brake dust bombardment. They endure it all, yet often go unnoticed. Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner is specifically designed to tackle this heavy brake dust and grime, restoring your tires to their factory-fresh color. This isn't just any cleaner. It's safe on various finishes: clear-coated, powder-coated, chrome, alloy, and painted wheels. Unlike many cleaners that can harm your wheel finish, Adams polishes wheel and tire cleaner targets and dissolves stubborn metallic contamination without damaging what you want to keep pristine. Tired of those brown, old-looking tires? Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner brings a solution. This high-sudsing formula, packed with a blend of alkaline concentrated solvents and surfactants, removes silicones, greases, wax buildup, polymers, and any previously applied dressings. Your tires and wheels will look like new again. But the benefits don't stop there. Extend the life of your tire dressings with this essential detailing product. From rookies to professionals, anyone can use Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner to ensure their tire dressings stick around longer. Clean tires are the foundation for a lasting tire shine. Adams' commitment to quality is unmatched. With a 110% satisfaction guarantee, they strive to bring you the best car cleaning products, from waxes and sealants to ceramic coatings and microfiber towels. If you're not satisfied, let them know, and they'll do everything to make it right. So, for a cleaner that not only tackles dirt, browning, and brake dust, but also protects and extends the life of your tires, Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner is the ultimate choice. It's not just about clean wheels. It's about pristine, protected wheels. Finally, we've reached number 1 in our countdown of the best-selling tire and wheel care products on Amazon. The ultimate in protection and shine. Chemical Guys VRP Vinyl, Rubber and Plastic Dressing. Imagine a product that does it all: restores, enhances, and protects. Chemical Guys VRP is that powerhouse, bringing a deep black look and a long-lasting super shine to your vehicle's vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. It's the perfect universal fit for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and more. This isn't just about appearance, it's about results. Weather conditions can wreak havoc on your trim, causing fading and staining. VRP reverses the damage, bringing back that like-new look to both exterior and interior surfaces. This premium water-based cream nourishes and protects, ensuring your vehicle shines with a deep, rich black finish. One of the standout features of VRP is its non-greasy, water-based formula. Achieve a deep, wet look on both the interior and exterior without the mess. It's quick, easy to apply, and leaves no sling or residue. And let's talk about the finish, dry to the touch. This premium sprayable dressing doesn't attract dirt or dust. Whether it's scorching heat or freezing cold, VRP keeps your exterior rubber and plastic looking pristine, no matter the weather. Why do beginners and professionals alike choose Chemical Guys? It's simple. The brand offers the finest car care products, backed by world-class customer support and vast detailing knowledge. Chemical Guys is more than just a brand. It's a lifestyle embraced by car enthusiasts worldwide. For the ultimate in vinyl, rubber, and plastic care, Chemical Guy's VRP stands unmatched. It's not just about making your car look great, it's about keeping it protected and looking new for years to come. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling tire and wheel care products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.